This video will introduce you to PhET.colorado.edu Collisions Simulator. Navigate to the website. Allow Flash Player. The basic display will show two balls with their velocity vectors. Start the simulation by pressing play. You can pause, go stepwise, and change the speed. You can then reset. At the start, you can click, hold, and drag the balls around, as well as their velocities. For more precision, select More Data. Type in the desired quantities. Using the checkboxes in the upper right corner, you can change to display velocity vectors, momentum vectors, the center of mass, the momenta diagram, total kinetic energy, as well as display the instantaneous values. The momentum diagram will show the momenta of each of the balls as well as their vector sum. You can change the elasticity of the collision from 100% elastic collision through any value inelastic collision to 0 perfectly inelastic collision. You can change to advanced mode using the tab. You can select two-dimensional options or revert back to one-dimensional head-on collisions. You can change the number of balls and again change precision with more data. The display options are very similar. Take note of the reflecting border. When the reflecting border is on, the balls will bounce off that wall. When the reflecting border is off, the balls can collide with each other, but then fly off the screen. This concludes this tutorial.